This is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable cooking system. This is not a sponsored video. This was purchased with my own money. It comes with the power pod, the 4-quart big batch cooking container, the big batch container removable adapter, the 6-cup small batch container, 2 crispy trays, 2 storage lids, the owner's manual, and a recipe book. When you want to use the 4-quart container, you have to use the big batch adapter, and it just snaps on like this. Okay, this piece facing forward, and the crispy logo is forward, and it just snaps down there like so. Okay, it has 4 cook modes. We have bake, re-crisp, air fry, and max crisp. Each mode already has a preset temperature. Crisp is set to 380 to 400. Bake is 375 to 400. Air fry is 400 to 425. Max crisp is from 425 to 450. You cannot adjust the temperature. You can only adjust the cook time. Okay? I want to try the bake feature. So, I'm going to test it out with these Grand's pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Okay. I placed the large crispy tray in the bottom. So we're going to open these up and place them in here. Okay, I'm going to push the mode button until I get to bake. Okay, and right here, remember I said the bake temperature is already set. You cannot change the temperature. So it's set to 375 to 400. So these are just some little cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. If I need more time, I'll come back and let you know. If I don't need the whole 10 minutes, I still will let you know that as well. Let's try. Okay. This is what they look like after 5 minutes. Now with this machine, going through the recipe book, reading, how they say do things, you have to toss and flip things a lot. So you really can't walk away from this machine like a regular air fryer. You need, if that makes sense, you got to be right there to be over your food so your food won't burn. Because 5 minutes and they already got this much color on them. I'm going to flip them and let them go for 5 more minutes. Okay, timer just went off. Let's take the pot off. Once you remove the lid and place it on the surface, it pauses the cook time for you. I'm going to flip them back over and add 2 more minutes. Okay, this is what they look like. Cook time, 12 minutes. Normally, I don't like my cinnamon rolls, cinnamon buns this dark. It'll be awesome if you can adjust the temperature. I'm just saying. In my opinion. We're just going to take these out, put them on a plate, let them cool. Then I'm going to put the icing on them. Okay, this is what we have. Even though they get a little too dark for my liking, they're still soft. They're not hard. Let's taste. I'm going to taste with a fork because I do not want all this stuff on my hand. The cinnamon rolls are pretty good, flavor-wise. The doneness, it's fine. It's good. The doneness is good. Flavor-wise, I don't taste pumpkin. I just taste the spices, if that makes sense. Yeah, which is not bad at all. They're pretty good. I would repurchase. They're pretty hard to find though, but anyway. Okay, this machine is a little different. Air fry is for non-frozen foods. Okay? Max Crisp is for frozen foods. Recrisp, that's for, heating up your leftovers or whatnot. And y'all see me use the bake function with the cinnamon rolls. Would I bake in here again? Yes. I probably would not bake all 5 at once. Okay, so that's why I had to give it the extra 2 minutes, because they was touching too much, and where they was touching at needed that extra cook time to cook that dough, if that makes sense. Okay, so yes, I probably would not put all 5 in there again. So this was my first time using it, showing it on camera with you all. Tested it on the bake function with the cinnamon rolls. It was decent. It was decent. This is just my initial review on this machine. I will be trying other things in here because I'm curious of how, it's going to actually cook it. Yeah, a portable air fryer. It's so small and neat. I'll show you at the end of this video how it all nests into one thing, and you just store the whole thing, where you choose to store it at. You can only use the power pod for the glass bowls that was made for this machine. They tell you this right on the top here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you don't mind. Until the next video, have a blessed one.